In this demo, I'll be discussing the const keyword. The const keyword is used to create constant values within your code. Let's suppose we had a function that ensured that a certain speed is within a maximum value. So we'll create a function named clamp speed, and we'll accept a speed variable as an i32, and then we will return an i32. What we can do is see if the speed is over a certain value. So if the speed is over some maximum value, let's say our max speed is 9,000, then we will return 9,000 since that's the maximum speed. Otherwise, we will just return the speed. This function will ensure that speed is always within some maximum value as specified here. When you're writing your code, you generally want to avoid numbers like this that are just sitting there bare inside functions. These types of numbers are called magic numbers, and they're just magically there and nobody really knows where they came from or why they're set at the certain value they're set at. Another reason you don't want to use magic numbers like this is because if you make another function similar to clamp speed that also needs to know the maximum speed, you'll have to type in 9,000 again. And then a few months may pass and you may need to update it again, and then you may forget to update the 9,000 in all places where it occurs. We can fix this by using a constant value. A constant value is created with the const keyword, and we just give it a name. Usually with constants, you use all caps, and all caps helps distinguish a constant between other variables within your code. When you make a constant, you have to specify the type, and then once you specify the type, you can set the value. I'll set it to 9,000, and now we can just replace the magic numbers with our constant variable. Now, anytime we need to use a max speed, we can just refer to this constant here, and we can easily have multiple functions using this max speed. Whenever we change the value right here, it will automatically be reflected throughout the entire code base, which makes the code easier to maintain and less prone to having bugs. This concludes the demo on the const keyword. I'll see you in the next presentation.